Come on, hand it over.
Hand over what?
99, of course.
99.
99. 99.
You keep saying that. 99 what?
Euro, dollar, p, doesn't matter. Give me 99. I need 99.
What am I paying you every month for? This is ridiculous.
iCloud, of course. Where would you be without iCloud? We all have to have iCloud.
So I'm paying you every month for iCloud, even though my iPhone storage is full.
You want more? You want $2.99? You want $9.99? I can do that, no problem.
No, I don't want more. I want to cancel. How do you do that?
Oh, you want to cancel? Well, good luck finding out how. And the repercussions could be massive. I'll settle for 99.
Oh my God.
99, and this just all goes away until next month.
Oh, here, just take this.
Good boy.